inyong mga Hindi ko ready na may pakulot Hindi ko ready doon ha. You know, life as 3 women, 3 wives with children, hindi kinaya ng powers namin.
In short, kinailangan naming magpakatotoo.
Oo.
Diba?
Kaya nyo ba itong i-push,
Panindigan.
masustain? Oo.
Yes. Hence,
Kasi mahirap
dito na
eh.
yung bagsak natin.
Correct.
And we're hoping that you guys will enjoy our company as much as we enjoy each other's
Totoo.
company.
Ano na mga Mars? Kamusta na kayo? Namiss na namin kayo. Ian and I were first friends kasi si Drew used to be from Unang Hirit.
Yes.
And then so,
And our husbands would train together in triathlon.
yes,
So
yes.
actually, Susie and I were friends, but not friends to the
Oo.
point that we would go out together.
hindi naman, hindi
Like we
naman.
would be friends like when we see each other, when our husbands see each other.
Yes, yeah.
Diba, when we'd see the boys go training and, you know, we would talk.
Oo, kami yung mga triathlon wives.
Yes.
Kasi
Yun.
naging triathlete na rin kami.
Ako naman, ang na-appreciate ko sa friendship namin ni Ate Suzy is because we're 10 years apart. Pero pag nagtsikahan kami, sobrang click. I see you as a friend and as a mentor.
Oo.
Na para sa akin, mahalaga pala na may mga kaibigan ka na mas matanda sa'yo.
Tayo naman, Mars, hindi kita friend.
Hindi talaga kita.
Hindi
Hindi
ko
kami
siya
friends.
Di ba nga si Susie yung
Ano lang kami,
Correct.
acquaintance.
Ako nga yung gusto nila sana kasama nila pareho. Na ang ending sila yung nagkatuluyan.
friend ko na gusto kong makasama. Di ba? Yun yung nakakatawa. Si Cams, ang friend ko, si Brandy,
John.
di ba?
Oo.
Kasi nga, we would dance together. So you and I, when we came together, we were acquainted.
Yes.
And I guess we're just naturally friendly and nice people that we were nice to each other.
Ako
Together.
naman, Mars, ang naaalala ko sa'yo, when I became pregnant with Nala, I messaged you kahit hindi tayo close.
Oh,
Message ko siya. I
I
asked her some stuff about pregnancy. Kasi syempre, ang layo ng gap ni Nathan at ni Nala. 10 years.
Correct.
So, nung nabuntis ako, she was one of those, if not the only one, who we
That you
would
knew,
see
anyone that you knew.
Yes.
na nag-work out na buntis.
Buntis.
Diba? So, parang feeling ko talaga, itong si Iya mukhang marami tong alam pagdating sa pagbubuntis, ha? Alam mo yung kung meron kang tatanungin tungkol sa ang expertise ay pagbubuntis, I think she's the right woman to go to.
Isa sa common denominators kasi naming tatlong mga Mars is mahilig kami mag-workout. And we
Yes.
try to stay fit and healthy.
Yes.
Because we are not getting any younger.
That's true. That's
And
true.
we are only losing muscle as we get older.
Absolutely.
Parang mas, actually, I think, mas priority dapat natin ang lakas kaysa sa ganda.
Tama
Kasi
yan.
ano gagawin mo sa ganda kung hindi ka makakatayo?
Totoo
At
din.
saka kung konting galaw mo, aray.
Oo,
Diba?
oo,
Hindi ka
oo,
makakilos.
oo, totoo.
So dito
totoo
tayo
yan.
sa ating fitness,
Strength.
our fitness goals and
Correct.
achievements. But it's a reality you need to face. It's a truth you need to
And
face.
minsan, iniiwasan natin yan, Mars. Ako, for a time, takot ako sa weighing scale. Hindi ako takot sa multo, pero takot ako sa weighing scale. There were days, ate, ito talaga legit. Umiiyak talaga ako habang nagbibihis, ha?
Oh my God! pagod na ako. Sabi ko nga ginagawa.
Katawan ko, tapos ito. Yung talaga, pero iiyak ko yun
Yep.
eh.
Yep.
Iiyak ko yun, but I will still do it.
I got so burnt out that I remember I crossed the finish line and sabi ko na lang, I'm so tired, I'm so exhausted. Magpapabuntis na ako. Yeah, like a month after, I did in fact get pregnant.
Wow! I mean, ikaw yung naging icon, I think, ng mga tao ngayon na parang you can do both. Parang ganyan. Oh, you can stay fit, you can carry a baby.
Yeah, if anything, I just really hope that, yun nga, that I inspired nga moms to get fit. Because more than just, carrying a baby, it's also like fitness that you can use. But there's so much more to fitness than just looking good.
Though maraming na-inspire, but I think that was after you have given birth.
Mars.
But during the time that you were pregnant, people were like, oh my gosh, tama ba itong ginagawa niya? And when you gave birth to Primo and Primo turned out to be healthy, we were all like, pwede naman pala eh.
Actually, Mars, it's funny because I feel like even Primo wasn't enough. I needed to do it again and again and again before people
Yes.
got it.
Kaya nagtaka rin ako sa sarili ko, Mars, na parang bakit ang daming nagbabago sa desisyon? Sa career.
Na dati hindi naman
Na dati
ganun.
hindi naman.
Basta may work.
Basta may work. Bakit ngayon meron na akong parang, wait lang. Oo, work to. Oo, financially, it will be good for me. But is it worth my time? So, I'm 41 this year. So, maraming realizations. Yun lang ang na-realize ko. And of course, my ate.
51. Siyempre, mas maraming realizations, marami na napagdaanan, marami ng pagkakamali, at marami ding natutunan.
Yeah.
Which is amazing because you know what? You might have all these plans in your head, but you just don't know what's gonna happen.
That's
So
true.
you just gotta be ready for it.
In your 30s, yun yung age ng buhay mo or yung stage ng buhay mo na feeling mo kaya mong gawin lahat. You have the energy
Yeah.
and you have the right amount of maturity to try it. Looking
Yeah.
back, di ba? Ano yung mga pumasok sa isip natin nung tumungtong tayo ng 30s?
Mars, ako pagdating ng 30s, I was really in the life stage of building a family.
Oo nga.
That's true.
It's all those things of being open to all of these changes na pwede mong i-employ. Kasi pwede ko naman sabihin, like I did for the longest time, ayoko yun gawin, nag-work naman to that. Hindi na nag-work. I think I needed to accept and change my expectations of myself.
When I turned 40, one of the things that changed in me, ate, was that yung realization na mas mahaba na yung binuhay ko kaysa sa ibubuhay ko pa.
Wow!
Meron akong parang shocks. I've lived 40 years. And 40 years, that means I'm lucky to reach 80.
Oo.
Na healthy,
Oo.
na ganito pa yung kaya kong mobile,
Oo,
independent,
oo.
kaya kong kumilos. So, ibig sabihin, na-reach ko na yung stage ng buhay ko na mas mahaba na yung binuhay ko kesa sa natitira sa buhay ko.
Grabe.
So, realizing that, Mars, I'm like, I don't want to waste my time. I want to be intentional with my time. Ayoko na nung gagawin ko na lang yung mga bagay just because I need to do it. I need to know my why. Bakit ko to gagawin?
I remember 40 used to sound so old when I would look at my parents.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's old anymore.
Oh, not at all. At saka the way
It's not
people
that
are
old.
looking now and staying
Yeah,
fit and
totoo
looking
yan,
beautiful,
Mars.
taking better care of themselves. Hindi na talaga ito yung mukha na 14 na alam natin
At
dati.
saka pati sa mga outfit,
Oo,
pati sa
oo,
get-up,
totoo.
ibang-iba na. Yung
Yes.
parang dati kasi alam na alam mo yung edad, base sa kanilang style.
Ngayon,
But now parang medyo may malilito ka na.
Oo, tayo na lang nakakaalam dahil sa site.
I guess we're so grateful to be able to share whatever we have with each other and for the rest of you guys as well.
And we hope that you guys will also find your circle where you can be comfortable in sharing
Oo.
these things. nga. Kasi nga, importante nga that you have your people to spill,
That's true.
Yeah,
That's
you know,
true.
to relate
Importante
with,
yan.
Yeah.
people to lift you up.
Yeah.
Susuportahan ka sa mga
Oo.
gusto mong mangyari sa life mo,
Oo.
'di ba? Even if they feel na parang unsure, pero
Yeah.
dahil alam nila na kaya mo at sigurado ka, kailangan you surround yourself with people na alam mong naniniwala rin sa iyo.
Correct.
Yes, and that's why we're here for you guys, because we want to encourage you guys to get fit, not just for yourself, but for your families, for the people that you love. And I'm telling you, life is so much more enjoyable when you have the strength
Ay, talaga.
to actually enjoy it.
Yes.
Like when I think about it, Mars, I'm fit not just so that I can do more for my children, but so I can do more with my
Ang
children.
ganda nun.
Ganda niyan.
Ngayon parang every 2-3 months na lang. Ito, kailangan ko ng touch-up all the time because my hair nga is so white.
Yes.
So kailangan yan every 2 weeks, ganyan. And when parang right before he colors it, I can see it. It's so white na here. I look older. Tapos as soon as mag-shampoo na ako, tapos mag-blower, parang pag... Oh, sino to?
Who's this girl?
Kanina lang may pagka-golden girls na talaga yung arrive eh. Pero yung isa, pagkaayos ni Paolo, aba, edi, it's such a simple joy because it makes me feel overall parang, youthful pa rin. Parang ganyan. And I guess that's what I want to project. Yung,
course.
even if I'm in my 50s, I'm active, I'm youthful, kasama na rin dun yung hair ko. Kaya, I guess it's a simple joy. So, bago tayo nag-taping today, kagabi, sabi ko, papaikulayan ako, may taping kami po.
I love
Kaya
it.
mapula-pula pa yung anit
napahawak
ko.
ate, very fresh.
Correct.
Birthday
Mapula-pula
rep
pa.
ko, kailangan fresh ako.
Taro.
Tama.
We live in a time and season na talagang you only live once. The pressure is so high because of the things that we see on social media. But you know what? We have to be smarter than that. For me, important to be liquid. Okay lang yun na gumastos ka to do things for yourself, pero always save for the rainy day.
My mom is very frugal in a lot of ways. My dad is the exact opposite.
Oh.
So, yun ang talagang habang may pera, love you dad, RIP. Pero yung habang may pera, igagastos niya yan. Either ipapamigay niya, ipanglilibre niya. Siya yung classic na, ako na to. Ako bahala guys, libre ko kayo. Yung ganyan. So half of me is that. Half of me is my mom.
I also highly recommend that while you're still young and without a family to support, I really feel that it's the best time to, already start investing, even if it's small.
Yes,
Because the moment you have a family, the moment you have children and a husband, you're paying for all that. You're paying for a home, you're paying for rent. So while you're still living probably in your parents' house and your food is still for free.
Yes!
Okay, anak, i-invest ko yung pera mo dito sa ganito. And I'd be like, yeah, whatever. It's like, okay, yeah, mama, as long as basta may prepaid ako, okay ako. Tapos pinagtatawanan
panggas
pa ako
ka.
dati, na prepaid yung phone ko.
I know.
Pati yung nanay mo natawa din.
prepaid? Hindi.
Yun ang unang basher.
Yung
Si
unang basher,
mother.
of course.
Anak, parang awa mo na, mag-line ka
Naawa
na.
yung mami ko sa akin, anak. Siguro nga dapat nga mag-postpaid ka na kasi pinagtatawan ka ng mga kaibigan mo. Ako naman parang,
Napuputulan ka ba kasi, Mars?
Mars, I
Hindi
could
naman.
call.
So
I
ngayon,
could text.
postpaid ka ba o prepaid?
Postpaid na ako. Umaasenso na tayo, guys. Okay.
Correct. That's how you know.
Yes.
Pag ang number mo nagsimula sa 5 or 8, alam mo na. Dati.
After the first four.
Oo, after nung
ayan.
first 4.
After the first
Oo,
four
kapag
numbers.
naman doon ka sa isang network, usually 9.
Ah.
Di ba, Mars?
Pero okay na rin kung may mga limit tayo.
Tama.
Oo. Basta, proud ako dati na prepaid ako, no? Kung hindi nga lang dahil kay Luis Manzano.
alaskado
hindi
ka to
ako
death.
mahihiya na prepaid ako.
Ano ba nilalaman na? Hindi naman nila nalalaman na.
Mars.
Yun nga yung sinasabi kasi malalaman mo.
Yes.
Oh.
That's how you know from the
Oh.
beginning of the number.
Oo, I'm pretty sure it was like 300 pesos.
A week, a month.
I can't, that part I cannot remember.
Baka
but-
nag-only call and text ka pa na network, Mars,
In
ha?
fairness, okay na yun.
Okay yun,
Oo,
na.
oo.
Kaso every 15 minutes lang napuputol siya.
Totoo ba?
Oo, Mars. Tapos tatawag ka lang ulit.
Walang ligawan, wala yung normal na ligaw-ligaw, and parang suddenly we were like, what? 25 years na? Nuts, right?
When it comes to love, it might be hard to find. It might not come at the time you're looking for it or the time you want it. But when it comes, it's so beautiful.
Totoo.
It wasn't until our 5th year and I had finished college that we went on a solo trip na kaming dalawa lang. It was a decision that I was so sure of and I really just put my foot down because I was like, Mom, siguro naman you can trust Drew and I. It's been 5 years. And of course, my mom was like, anong isipin ng mga tao that you guys are staying in the same room? I'm like, Mom, even if I try to explain to them that I'm a virgin, sa tingin mo maniniwala sila?
Yeah.
Kahit anong explain ko, they're not gonna believe it. So you just have to trust me. So I went on that trip, even though alam ko labag sa kalooban niya. And that was the start of Drew and I starting to travel together. And when we started traveling together, oh wow, our relationship really, really bloomed after that. We got to know each other so much deeper.
For me, dahil wala akong plans to get married, hindi ako nakikipag-date.
Enter frame, VJ.
Ayun na. Doon ko talaga na-realize na may mga bagay talaga na hindi mo kayang planuhin sa buhay. Sa kalye, hinahabol ko si Nathaniel kasi nasa event ng Homeowners Association. Sinama ako ng mga magulang ko. Sana nandun sila sa kubo. Ako nag-aalaga ng bagets. Dumadaan si VJ, nagdidribble ng bola.
Hindi ka niya nakita.
Nakita kami, tapos parang tumingin siya sa akin. Tapos sabi ko, yung kaklase ko. Kasi tuwan-tuwa talaga ako na, my gosh, nakita ko yung kaklase ko nung grade 2. Like, amazed lang ako in the concept of like seeing my old
That
classmate.
you saw
That's
him,
it.
that you recognize him, that
That's
you remember
it.
him.
Yes.
That's it.
Oh, yun na yun, Mars. And then we started talking text message. And then later on, syempre, exchange of text message na everyday, di ba? Pagising ko, good morning, tas emoji, itlog, pagkain, spoon and fork. So ako, Mars, talagang wala. Kasi in my mind, ayoko na talaga. Tas syempre, parang knowing his side pa na yung situation niya, he has a child, so parang malabo na to, alam mo yun, parang ganun, Mars. And then, ang nangyari lang was that he was really very persistent. Like, kung sino pa yung wala dito sa Pilipinas, sobra kong ramdam yung presence niya.
Kasi umuwi na nga siya sa
Nasa
States.
US na siya.
Oo, nasa
So,
States
grabe
na
yung
siya.
effort niya, Mars, kasi para maabutan niya akong gising sa gabi nang bago ako matulog, kailangan niyang gumising ng 5 a.m. Kasi pag hindi siya gumising ng
Nice
5
one,
a.m.,
Par.
6
Effort
a.m.,
na effort.
tulog na ako,
Yes.
wala nang usap. So, grabe yung effort
Yung
talaga,
effort.
Mars. It will really find you regardless where you are. Hindi mo siya kailangang effortan. Hindi mo
Whether
siya
or not
kailangang
you try,
hanapin.
yeah.
Imagine mo na sa bahay ka, ring, ganun.
I think I was telling you that when Paolo and I started going, because Paolo wasn't my only boyfriend naman. And then so, I think I was telling you na parang this one came so easily. Yung parang hindi ko kinailangan ipaglaban, hindi ko kinailangan i-prove na ito sobrang okay to. parang mag-isa lang siyang nangyari and it was so easy. Tas parang I felt like that was the true indication that this was the one that was meant for me.
Yes.
Hindi ako nahirapan. It came so easily. Parang ganyan. So parang, at least in my experience, yun yung naging reference ko na, pag true love pala or the one that's meant for you, madali lang siya.
Hindi naman lahat ng love story
Yes,
perfect.
oo.
Alam mo yun, okay na okay agad. Meron at meron ding dadaan sa may mga pagsubok, may mga kokontra, may mga hindi magiging masaya para sa inyo. But ultimately, may magaan na feeling na alam mong dapat
may
mo siyang...
may ease siya, may smoothness siya.
Anybody who's got friends, na yung mga bata tayo na sinasabi natin, friends forever! It's easier said than done. And, di ba, hindi pala siya ganun kadali as you move forward your life, as you get older. Mahirap pala siya to keep the friends that you have also because the different seasons come and also it requires time and effort.
That's true. Yun yung seasons of life. Bihira kasi yung sabay-sabay tayong magpapare-pareho tayo ng interest sa life.
Yes.
May
Sabay-sabay tayo
nagbabago.
mabubuntis.
Yes,
Or sabay-sabay
oo.
tayo, yes,
Or at some point,
mag-workout.
magkakaibigan tayo ngayon, pero ikaw may trip ka, Mars, na yun yung trip mo, so iba yung set of friends mo.
Yes.
And then since you spend more time there, then syempre mas malalim
Mas
yung
close kayo,
friendship na
yan.
nabibuild mo doon.
Totoo.
So parang dumarating talaga yung season na yun.
Yes. I remember we had a guest on Mars. I can't remember exactly who though. And naging guest natin siya at the time when I was having a breakup with a very good friend of mine.
Okay.
Ito para ako nag-ghost. We were so close.
I remember
Every week we were
this.
together.
Yes.
Tapos nun may nangyari na hindi rin masyadong clear sa akin kung ano nangyari. Tapos out na ako sa buhay niya. So nung time na yun, parang ito yung talagang iniiyakan ko. Like 1 year. 1 year kong iniiyakan to. Tapos nun, nagka-guest tayo. So syempre iniisip ko, wow, what kind of a person am I? Para iwanan ka ng isang tao. Parang jowa talaga. Parang, shucks, iniwan niya ako. Ano nangyari? And then we had a guest on Mars na nagkaroon din siya ng ganung experience. Tapos siya din yung nagsabi na parang, naisip ko na lang, pinipilit din niya eh. Ano nangyari? Ano ginawa ko? Ba't tayo nagkaganito? Tapos naisip din niya, yung friendship niyo na yun, hanggang dun lang talaga yung lifespan niya. Hanggang dyan lang siya. And then, ang lag ko namang kabarkada natin ng pandemic, lalo kasi every week nagkikita kami si Maggie, si Gemma, at saka ako. Kasi
Solid
Gemma's, kasi Gemma's my
Kasi
neighbor.
magkakapit-bahay.
Correct. Tapos si Maggie dumadayo, nagsisleep over sa bahay. We'd always talk about friendships or different kinds of friendships. So sabi, ang ganda pagkasabi niya, friendships, meron kang friendships for a reason, a season, or a lifetime.
Ang sarap talaga pag-usapan ng pagiging
Tama,
nanay.
tama.
And that's why we mothers need friends and have our little groups where we can talk about these things.
Yes.
Because
Na
we
hindi ka ginajudge.
Di ba parang minsan nagkakaroon ka tuloy ng self-doubt? Kasi nga parang it seems like other people have it so much better than you do. So parang it weighs down on you as well.
Kasi wala namang perpektong nanay. May mga
Yes.
pagkakataon talaga na parang feeling mo lumalagapak ka, Mars, or sumasablay ka on a lot of things.
Yes.
And you feel the guilt of that. And you
Yeah.
just need to share it with someone na alam mong maiintindihan ka.
So every time I got pregnant, I was always scared. That who knows? Baka this time it might be a different story. Who knows? Maybe this time there might be bleeding, there might be some complications, and ready din naman ako to make adjustments.
That's right.
Should that happen? So yeah.
Every pregnancy is different. Ikaw, magkaiba din yung parang generations ng pagbubuntis mo.
Oo, ate.
Oo.
Parang, I feel like, kahit na pang ilang anak mo pa siya, it's always a different story.
As mothers nga, lalo na mothers of the new generation, I think back in the day, they didn't give themselves that opportunity to also take care of themselves.
Yeah.
If you are our lola or our mom, it might have felt selfish for you to take care of yourself kasi ang dami niyong ginagawa. Pero this new generation is a bit more aware
That's
na
true.
how can we provide for our children if our tank is empty.
Yes. At
Oo.
kaya kami nandito.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? You cannot pour from an empty cup.
We all have our different struggles as moms. And so
Totoo.
it's nice to share
Yeah.
because you know what, you might be making others feel like, ay, hindi ako nag-iisa.
Sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo para sa pamilya ninyo, sa asawa, sa mga anak, sa bahay, sa pagtatrabaho kasi working moms na din. Mano ba naman yung paminsan-minsan alagaan nyo yung sarili nyo? It takes a village to raise a child.
Hindi na talaga natin siya kaya, hindi kaya ng nanay lang.
Yes.
Kaya wag mo ding piliting kayanin yun kasi hindi talaga siya posible.
Mm-mm.
Pag nasasanay kasi kayo na hiwa-hiwalay na kayo, busy ka sa phone mo, si mommy, si daddy, busy din sila, hindi na kayo sanay eh. Magkikita na lang kayo pag dinner time na, pagkatapos yung kumain, akyatan kayo ulit sa kwarto, baka kayo mismo hindi na kayo magkakakilala masyado eh.
this can only be possible if we do it as a community.
Oo.
Yes.
Hindi tayo pwedeng magkanya-kanya dito.
Oo.
So kung pare-pareho tayo ng desire na gustong mangyari sa mga anak natin, kailangan natin magtulong-tulungan as one.
Yes.
Tama.
You do allow them to play gadgets. Just really have healthy boundaries and stick to them.
Agree.
I mean, we can't live without them. The
That's
reality is,
Definitely.
doon na tayo papunta.
That's
So
true.
just have to manage how we use it.
Yan yung pinoproblema ng a lot of parents because nagiging dependent na rin sila, admittedly, sa gadgets paminsan because that's your digital yaya.
And can I just say how this digital era has completely messed up my parenting?
Totoo yan, Mars.
Oh,
I mean, but good of you to actually say that out loud. Diba?
Parang it's brought
So many
Parang I feel like
questions.
parenting has just become so much more complicated
Yep.
because of it.
Akala natin, mas mapapagaan niya yung buhay
Yes,
natin.
yes.
Not realizing that later on, dahil sa pag-aaral, meron din pala siyang hindi magandang epekto.
Totoo.
Which is because at some point, Mars, we thought it's something educational. My favorite combo, and my mom knows this. She would prepare this every morning.
Ano siya?
It's sinangag,
Okay.
pritong itlog,
Okay.
tosino,
Oh.
at tuyo. So that's my favorite combo, Mars.
May
Breakfast
matamis,
combi.
may maalat, and silog.
Yes!
Wow.
Pagkain na gusto ko, I love kare-kare. And I know how high in fat that is.
Of course.
But it's so good. Especially the way my mom makes it because we don't eat bagoong at home. So, di ba, normally it's kare-kare and bagoong. So, she already makes it with so much flavor.
Na you don't
that we
need
don't
bagong.
need bagoong. And it is so good. And when I learned how to make it, and I saw how much peanut butter she puts in, I was like, ooh!
That explains
Actually,
it.
yun yung
That
maganda dun eh.
explains
Pag
it.
natutunan mong lutuin,
Yeah.
doon ka parang
Oo.
hindi pala talaga to pwedeng kainin ng ganong kadalas.
But
ano?
it's really a special
Totoo,
occasion
totoo,
when mom
totoo.
makes it.
Correct.
So feeling ko hindi tayo dapat mag-guilty.
Tama!
Moving on to the
In
next
moderation.
guilty pleasures.
Ako, kape. Diba?
Like, but sweet coffee, like a dessert kind of
Flavored
coffee.
coffee, yes.
Oh, kape! Order na ng kape! Order ng kape! Yeah, I was thinking
Yeah,
pandesal.
pandesal, anything that's
Mainit
freshly
pa?
baked. Oh, tapos
Kahit
lagyan mo ng
donut.
butter.
Dang! Alam mo,
Masarap yan.
dapat yung pala yung display natin dito, yung
Oh
mga
my
favorite
goodness.
foods natin eh.
Ako, trip ko talaga athleisure. I panic buy to the point I will buy 2 sizes. Because I want to make sure that I get the right size.
Minsan may
Kayo mga
ganun.
Mars na nakikinig sa amin, nakaka-relate ba kayo sa mga guilty pleasures namin in terms of, let's say, shopping, may mga certain things ba na
Pagkain.
pag nakikita ninyo yung parang nagpapalpitate din kayo sa excitement. And of course, in this world, hindi lang tayo ang nabubuhay dito. Kailangan na ikibagay tayo
Yes.
dun sa mga katabi natin, sa mga nakakasalamuhan natin, nakasama natin, kahit mga kasama sa bahay.
Tama
So it's
yan.
always important na lagi natin isipin kung kamusta ba sila. Hindi lang yung sarili nyo, kung ano lang yung komportable sa inyo, kung ano lang ang gusto ninyong gawin. Just be mindful.
Mindful.
Oo.
I like that. I think yun naman yung konsepto ng pet peeve eh.
Ng episode
Kasi
natin
ginagawa
today.
siya ng ibang tao at may naaapektuhang ibang tao. Parang,
Paisip nga ako
ano
eh.
ba, may mga ganito ba ako?
Parang ano ba yung mga pet peeves ko? Alam mo, pet peeve ko yung hindi naghuhugas ng kamay.
I just realized, mababa ba yung pet peeve na maingay, na nasastorbo ako sa maingay kumain?
Yung maingay mag-ano ng kubyertos, Mars.
Clink, 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 clink. Yung
Bam, bam,
hablang-
bam,
oo,
bam.
oo.
Tapos pag kinain, babangga sa ngipin. Yung talagang parang, yung pag alam mong papasok ka ng malinis na bahay, tas ako, parang naging practice ko siya na tinatanggal ko yung sapatos ko.
Yeah. Leaving drawers open and not putting things back where they should be. Kasi
Tama.
ako yung, syempre, sino maghahanap? Mama, can you
Where's
find-
the like
Mama,
this?
where's the like this?
Yeah.
Mama. Like, I'm sure may kalakip tong mga triggers din siguro natin
yes,
sa
I'm
buhay.
sure, I'm
Which
sure.
is why kung may parang, that is really getting me angry right now.
Habang naglalabasan.
May mga ganyan siguro. So I'm sure there's that aspect to it also.
Parang siyang may, saan nang gagaling to sa past ko kung ba't irita ako sa kanya?
dito sa ganitong pag-uugali?
Beauty, beauty, beauty. Oh my goodness.
Yes,
my God.
beauty standards.
Oo.
Okay.
Has it changed? Has it shifted? Have we become more accepting?
How do we feel about it?
Oo, or mas madaot ba yung mga tao ngayon? Kasi may opportunity sila na magbigay ng feedback agad-agad.
Yeah.
Correct. And it's actually so weird kasi parang pakiramdam ko a mix of both. mas naging accepting
Yes.
in a way na parang ngayon wala nang zero is not a size. 'Di ba? And we see people out there na, alam mo, ako to be honest, tuwang-tuwa ako pag nakikita ko sila. Yung mga nasa healthier, curvy side,
Yes.
pero naka-crop top. I'm like,
Confident.
yeah, I love it at bagay sa kanila.
Totoo.
At the same time, dumami din yung basher. So parang, ano ba talaga? I think
Oo.
that's also what we need to know now.
Yes.
Ano ba yung tamang skincare mo sa edad mo na to? Kasi nandun ako sa season na yun na ang daming nagbabago sa katawan ko. Balat ko, metabolism ko, energy ko, lahat na. So parang I'm also in that season wherein I feel like I'm lost. But tinatanggap ko kasi na nagta-transition kasi ako. And I just want to talk to people who will encourage me and give me good advice. Ano yung mga dapat kong gawin para makabalik ako dun sa dating ako.
Because the reality is what used to work for you doesn't
No,
work
no,
anymore.
yes.
So you just have to roll with the changes.
Totoo yan. So yun yung first step siguro. Yung tanggapin nyo kung saang season kayo
Yeah.
nasaan ngayon. Kayo ba ay nasa season na sobra kayong busy kasi nagsa-start kayo sa isang trabaho, sobra kayong stress, wala kayong tulog. That will show sa face ninyo. That will make you feel haggard. Tapos para may isip mo, ano ba mga pwede kong gawin para mag-improve yung look ko?
Yeah.
It's really going back to the basics of taking care of yourself and investing in yourself on a daily basis. Drinking water,
Yeah.
tulog, kumain ng
Eating
prutas.
right, yes.
Oo, eating right. Alam mo, all those things contribute to that. And the making yourself feel good.
But that's why it's also important that you surround yourself with the right people, with the people that will support the growth that you want to achieve.
Absolutely, tama.
Because of course, if you're surrounded by people that are just going to make you feel insecure, then that's not really doing you
Yung
any
tuwing
good.
makikita ka, Mars, ano yan? Sa mga ano, ay naku, patanggal mo yan.
Oo,
Yung
hair
refer
mo
ko
medyo
sa'yo
dull
yung
na.
doctor ko.
Ayan na.
Magpakulay ka nga ng hair. Ano
Ipa-cellophane.
ba
May
yan?
nagsicellophane pa.
Ayan.
Hindi, guys, paki-comment ha. May nagsicellophane pa. Cellophane.
Oo nga, no, I haven't heard that term. Baka meron. Yung hot oil nga, parang dun sa salon na pinuntahan ko, wala nang hot
Wala
oil.
nang hot oil.
Parang malamig eh. Parang may nilagay
Parang
sa
mentol na,
buko.
parang mentol na yung nilalagay.
Yung plancha, parang yelo.
Oh, may ganun na.
See, so we don't know.
Kumbaga nagbabago na yung mga
Nagbabago,
technology na
yes.
available sa ating mga
Dati
papaganda.
init, di ba?
Yes,
Ngayon,
always
lamig
heat.
na pala ang...
May
Oh.
ganun na pala.
So sabay lang tayo dun sa natin gusto, dalhin yung ating sariling kagandahan. Pero ang ending lang naman yan is how that makes you feel about you.
What is the age that we're looking at for people that can experience
We're
perimenopause?
talking about perimenopause,
Yes.
no? So now it's getting earlier, but yung mean age would be 38
Pasok nga
up
kayo.
to 45. So it can happen.
So that's peri.
Peri.
Peri,
So that's
okay.
a good 8 to 10 years prior to the actual menopause.
If
Category natin, Mars.
38 to 45 as a beginning point.
Beginning point.
Beginning point.
So
Okay.
it could begin like when you're 44,
Yeah.
45 pa rin.
Oo.
And then menopause happens, which I'd like to explain kasi misnomer siya. Menopause is actually an exact date, an exact event when you haven't had your period for 12 straight months. So that very
For a whole
day-
year.
Yeah.
Yes, a whole year. Yun lang yung menopause.
So,
technically.
dun mo masasabi na
Menopause na ako.
Tsaka Mars, minsan kasi, no, hindi mo nare-realize na ang dami palang magagandang mga bagay na nangyayari sa araw mo.
Yes.
We tend to focus on the bad news, yung nakakairita na traffic, itong si motorcycle na siningitan ako, and so on and so
Mars,
forth.
before you know it, parang feeling mo, gusto mo nang matapos yung araw na to. But if you have these simple joys, it really, 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 really helps.
It changes everything.
Yes.
Diba? I love it.
Just 3 in a day. At the end of the day, maglista lang sa isip ninyo ano ba yung 3 bagay na pinagpapasalamat ko.
Tama.
It'll
I
go a
love
long
that.
way. So I think that's one of the things that I really enjoy. Like a good cold beer. Kapag gutom na gutom ako, tapos nun, tinatamad ako magluto. Cup noodles. Pag kumakain din ako niyan, love na love ko siya.
Pag pumunta ka sa Japan,
Ballpen. Oh, yan.
magdo-Don Quixote ka, diba?
Yes, yes.
Pupunta ka doon sa stationery area nila, yung friction pen na maraming kulay.
I love ribbons. I love collecting ribbons.
Noted to noted. Ribbons.
Even if like the gift itself is medyo walang kwenta, I'm gonna make it
Bawi
look
na lang sa
pretty.
wrapper.
Bawi sa wrapper, yung I'll even get a glue gun. Gusto ko yung may mga nice ribbons outside. Ayoko na ipapatong-patong lang yung lahat mga regalo kasi mapipisat yung
Oo, yung ribbon.
Because I like using wired ribbons para nakatayo yung ribbon.
Taray! We also, I guess, want to encourage you guys to maybe make a list of 3 things at the end of a day.
Yes.
Ano ba yung mga nice things na parang nagpasaya sa o nagpangiti sa akin today?
Yeah, because you know what? You might not even realize.
Yeah.
That this was something pala that I was looking forward
Yes.
to. Diba? You got like that cup of coffee or that toast that you'll have after mo ihatid lahat ng mga anak mo
Nice.
sa school.
Mainit na
Oo,
kape.
oo.
Oh my God,
Yan.
inom mo siya ng mainit
We
pa
didn't even
rin.
mention a good massage.
Yan, okay
I look-
din yan.
After like a long training day, yun yung nasa isip ko.
There's so many things for all of us to be thankful for. And for me, syempre, another year alive. Diba? And being with such lovely friends and having this podcast to look forward to na mas madalas ko na kayo nakikita.
Ang dalas talaga. When we were kids, it's just me and my brother John. We would travel to Caliraya. My
Okay.
parents would take
The
us
lake.
there.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Tapos, ang kotse namin nun ay sedan.
Aha.
Okay? And then, my dad would drive, my mom is in front, tas ang dami naming dalang gamit, Mars, na yung likod, kung saan kami nakaupo ni Kuya, puro gamit din yung katabi namin.
Okay.
Ganong level.
Okay.
And I remember we brought our rollerblades. I couldn't forget it. And then parang nandun ka sa likod, tas hindi ka pwedeng magreklamo, tas sobrang sikip. Kasi sobrang dami talagang gamit, Mars. Yung tulog mo parang pag ganyan-ganyan lang. It's so memorable for me. And then pagdating namin doon, I remember may pool doon sa harap ng cottage mo. Tas maliit lang siya na lugar and then pwede ka mag-horseback riding.
Wow.
So nag-horseback riding kami ni Kuya. And then I remember my brother he did something with the horse that started running that it wasn't supposed to kasi hindi siya marunong. Tapos may parang body of water flowing dito, tas papunta doon. Mars, tumalon yung kabayo ni Kuya pa ganun. Tapos parang windang na windang yung trainer. Alam mo yun, basta it was such an adventure.
And the whole time, hindi nalaglag yung kuya mo. Malamang,
Kasi
ang galing Ang
Tapos
galing
ako syempre walkathon lang kasi for the scared, di ba? Tapos, yun yung naaalala ko, Mars. And then, una kami muna, and then every summer we would go there, tas bigger family, kasama na yung mga titos and titas, we would go there. So, yun yung parang very distinct family travel for me.
Because I noticed na yung ganyang edad, may malay na talaga yung mga
Meron
bata.
naman.
And they hold on to these
Yeah.
memories.
Yeah.
Like it's the best day of their life. But it's funny because even in those moments, I mean, not the best moments, these are still memories. And then you look
Sobra.
back and it's like, remember
Sobra.
that time? Nung muntikan tayo parehong mamatay kasi muntik tayo masagasay. Di ba? Like, these are all such core memories.
And sometimes, weirdly enough, yung mga medyo negative, yun yung natatandaan mo talaga eh.
Yung mga buwis buhay.
Yung mga buwis
Muntik-muntikan ka na.
Correct.
And yet, nandito ka pa rin.
Yun, kaya very grateful. And I think the memorable ones nga, like you mentioned, are the hard ones. Are the tough ones, yung marami kayong adventure and most of all, misadventures.
Your bag can say a lot about
Who you
are.
Totoo,
Mars?
totoo. That's why we sometimes have super huge bags or 2 bags, di ba?
Yep,
Kasi
yep.
depends on the needs that we have for the day or for every day.
Yeah, but that's really how it is to be a mom or whatever it is, whether you're an office girl.
I love small bags. May mga times, Mars, na maliit lang talaga yung bag ko. So, yan lang yung ginagamit ko.
So medyo natuwa at kinabahan din kami sa episode na to.
Dahil syempre bilang mga nanay, marami rin tayo mga ibang bagay dyan na kinalimutan na rin
That's
natin.
true.
Na nandyan pa pala. Minsan doon ako kinakabahan kapag pupunta sa airport.
Yes.
Kasi baka
Yes.
mamaya may luma na pala akong saging dyan.
Oo.
Or tinapay na puro amag na. Di ba? So minsan, doon ako kinakabahan.
So yun guys, binukas na po namin ang mga kalooban at mga bag namin sa inyong lahat.
Ibinuyang-yang na po namin
Yes.
ang
Wala
lahat.
na po kami may tatagong sekreto sa inyo.
So now,
Alam nyo na.
so, eto na nga. Eto na nga.
So abangan nyo pa kasi syempre, first of many pa to na mga
Yes.
usap-usapan namin and we only can hope na sana samahan nyo kami sa bawat episode na ilalabas namin para sa inyo.
Dahil
Dahil
kami ang inyong mga